Hello everybody, Asong Filipina. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm here now in my new car and I love it. I'm gonna show you around also inside. So this is Chevrolet 2012. So this car I spent for 300,000 pesos. So in dollars, that would be $1,000 about that. So $6,000. That is already complete. So I'm driving like new in this car because we pull out everything. Even it's not necessary to pull out, just for the safety, we just pull out all. And then because I use this one for my driving videos, for my vlog, and also for my family, so that's why I change everything. So this one is new, and I have some video of that while we pull out the parts of this car. So that's why we spend a little bit more for this. And I'm happy to have this because my other car still need to repair. And it was all set. So for the car insurance, I have to contribute here in the Philippines 40% now because I have the car for 6 years. So 40%, so it's all paid. I paid already. And then I only have to wait for the call that I have to bring the car to the casa. So we call it casa or the Toyota main whatsoever. But anyway, this is it. This is the car. So I'm gonna show you around here. It's very new inside. Like this one I need to change. But so far, like the floor, the dashboard, the chair, like outside is fading because this car is sit under the sun, rain, and it was under the trees also, so it's quite exposed to the UV rays. How do you call that? And then this is my tunnel colors today. So far that's all. It's working properly. I drive far, long distance already with this car. And I feel safe now because, like I said, it's being well maintained for us. So we maintain the car, we change oil, overall we clean it, we maintain all. That's why we spend a little bit more for this car. Then after this one, because I'm planning to buy a new car later in the future, it's Yaris Cross, and this car is not really a plan for this year. But then because I don't have transportation and I live in the mountains, so I really need a car for my daily use. I need car every day here because I live in the mountains, so that I don't have to rely for the bus, and which is not bad anyway. Only it's killing my time because I have to wait and I have to rely on them the time that they're gonna leave, and I'm far from the city, so it's about 45 minutes if I take jeepney or bus. And that's why we just like, okay, we'll just have to spend this car, and it's good because it's manageable and it's cash, so I'm happy for that. And yeah, like I said, all the parts are new, the body are old, the body of this car is quite old. I need to repaint, but for the meantime, if not necessary to repaint the car, I won't do it, and I'm just gonna use it. But for the interior, it was very good. It's perfect for driving, and I already have some video driving this car, and so far all is good. So I think that would be all for this car. And if you have questions, then you can just comment down below. And then because this is I'm the second owner of this car, so I have to wait for the transfer of the ownership. So that's why I don't really drive so much for this car for the meantime, because I'm still doing something else. And then at least I have here now, I can show you around. So that's all. So let's see what's inside. And this is inside the car. It's quite new. That's the pedals of the car, and here's I put my tripod. Here's at the back, and also I tie this up. This is for the highway. And So far, all is good. So the mileage of this car is 1,000. Wait, I have to see. Oh, it's 1,007.9. 1,007.9, right? That's the mileage. Not bad. I thought it's 1,145 or 49. So this is the radio. This is my front, the dashboard, and the mirror here, the side, still new. And the only problem of this car, the owner is not there, working abroad. And it was stay outside. So this is the second. So I have my backpack here because I use that one for my shoes, and I have umbrella, and this one also for my camera. This one for my camera. So this is the interior of this car. It's still new, clean. Look at the inside, so brand new. Drop. That's the back. So that's the top. So this all new. Here is all new. So I'm using the Michelin. So I use this one. That's all.